today is Fintech Week. Today is all about money, digital payments, evolution, technology, how we make digital payments, and I guess the technology developments around that.
What's been important this year is that in Europe especially we've seen a big transition, especially in remittances, that people are switching from cash to digital solutions because they're more convenient, cheaper and faster.
The opportunities out there are huge, but it's finding that right segment. So there's a balance between making things easy versus the risk involved in it. So if you look at cashless cards like Transport for London, everybody uses the cards which have got an RFID chip in it, which is unencrypted. So there's a huge security risk, but the upside is the convenience.
The next one that we're really excited about is social commerce, like buying on social networks, things like on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, etc. It really brings the point of purchase really into the point of discovery. So when you find something you want to buy, instead of the current experience is much more click through a link, go onto another website, sometimes it's not the same product, you have to then check out there, really bringing that right to the point of discovery. So when you find something you like, you can buy it straight away on the platform, and all your card details, your shipping address, everything is saved on the social network. For retailers, it really gives you a view of what your social commerce, what your social activity is worth. So at the moment there's this kind of disconnect between people's spending and people's social activity, and so this really closes that loop. I might be a really valuable customer to a company, not because I spend a lot with them, but because I tell all my friends about their products and they all buy them, and so it really closes that loop and you can see what the value of your customers is on like a holistic point of view.
The biggest change right now, I think, in terms that people didn't anticipate how quickly people will shift from cash. Because if you look at, only 3 or 2 years ago, cash was still dominating and is dominating, but the way that digital is taking up market share from cash is unprecedented. And this is basically due to new offerings in the digital space. So we are making the market, which is sort of needs the product, we're sort of making it by offering something very good to it. So I think this shift is going to be happening even faster over the next 3 years. And we envision that in 5 years, digital is going to be winning over cash globally, not only in the emerging markets, but also in the developing ones.